I can't believe that February is much more faster than January, and we're gonna enter March today. But what an extraordinary way for us to experience this, because for the first time since 2021, Bitcoin has gone up to more than 60,000 USD. It even got up to 64K one time before it even plunged down to less than 60 because of the Coinbase issue. But now we are somewhere around 62 to 63K range. This is something that we should be celebrating, as well as Ethereum, in which their Denkin upgrade will be also upcoming this March. Well, Ethereum right now, it's around 3,500 USD. But of course, this is not what I'm going to talk about in this video. Last time, I did share to you guys about the Wirex app, in which one of the features is no other than the Wirex card. So today, guys, we're going to focus more on the Wirex card itself, in which I'm going to share to you the 5 interesting stuff that I liked about the Wirex card. So before we get things started, make sure that you smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And guys, just to let you all know that we are not promoting any financial or investment advice, so please kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here in this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational, entertainment, and informative purposes, just to be fair and transparent to all. So as you may notice, I didn't have my signature shades with me. I'm gonna get real, alright? Now, it's time for us to begin. Okay, so the first reason is that we could earn up to 8% cashback rewards for all in-store purchases around the world. Of course, guys, we cannot deny shopping whenever we want, right? We can just simply shop for the items of our choice and pay with our respective debit or credit cards. But the problem, however, is that the cashback opportunities aren't that really appealing at all, considering that the crypto and Web3 space is already trending and on the uprising. But what if while you shop, you can earn up to 8% cashback in the form of WXT token that can be traded in various exchanges? Would that be really appealing to you as a crypto and Web3 enthusiast? Whoa. For me, absolutely yes. But how about those who are not yet aware or are still skeptical about crypto? It may not be for everyone, but at least this one, not only strictly for those who are already in the crypto and Web3 space, this is specifically to both crypto and non-crypto peeps who wants to experience getting cashback in cryptocurrency in the form of WXT token. So in other words, guys, even if you are still skeptical to crypto, you are still welcome to try out the Wirex card, or to at least have an experience while you shop whatever items that you want. You could get cash back in crypto in the form of WXT token, in which that could be really something to you. The second reason is that we could instant top up if we link our existing debit or credit card in the Wirex card. Now, I like the fact that the Wirex card can be top up instantly with our existing supporting debit or credit cards such as Visa, MasterCards, American Express, and so on. And we didn't wait for our deposits to be credited to our Wirex card wherever we are. Whoa. Just like in the Philippines, guys, where traditional banks and e-wallets are using InstaPay but with fees. The same thing goes with Wirex card, where we can also experience the same thing, in which there is no need for us to wait for like several minutes for our funds to be credited to our Wirex card balance. And they are open, guys, towards innovation and taking things to the next level by not getting left behind with the trends that we have today. And of course, guys, this is one of my favorite reasons on why I really liked about the Wirex card. Because our crypto funds are held in a cold storage using multi-signature addresses. Until now, guys, it is still common for us to be prone and vulnerable towards hacks, unauthorized logins and transactions, and so on. Crypto and Web3 are still considered very young as of the moment, as they have still long ways to go in terms of cybersecurity. And I am not one of those who are exempted, as I was being compromised before. Not just once, but a few times already. And it is something that I would never ever wanted to happen to me again. But it's also something that cannot be avoided because the hackers are getting more intelligent and smarter than ever in their motives. Now, when it comes to the security measures of the Wirex card, in either the physical or virtual version, the good thing is that these funds are held in the cold storage using multi-signature addresses and not in the hot storage. I personally know the capabilities of multi-signature addresses just like the nose is safe. But I think, guys, Wirex card is doing a great job of implementing this kind of security measure. In that way, Wirex card really does care for the security of our cryptocurrency assets, and I'm glad that they're doing it already to prevent these hackers from compromising our hard-earned assets. The fourth reason is that Wirex card has commission-free trading and zero ATM fees for up to $200 worth that you want to cash out. Okay, I gotta be honest with you. The ATM withdrawals and cross banks or e-wallets for transferring our funds or vice versa is simply a pain in our pockets when it comes to their transaction fees. I even predict that from time to time, those fees would increase. That is something out of our control, especially the fact that inflation is still ongoing. And not only that, when I go to overseas and withdraw my funds, no matter the amount is, the fee is much higher, as up to $6 in Philippine peso. Even when I try withdrawing my BTCs to some international Bitcoin ATMs that I have visited years ago, the fees are very expensive too. But the good thing is that by using the Wirex card, we're gonna say goodbye to those absurd fees in terms of withdrawals and trading. When we're going to trade using the Wirex card, we're gonna experience it in a whole new level where it's commission free. That means to say, we save some fees. And on top of that, guys, this is something that I'm really looking forward to these days. We can now experience zero ATM fees when we withdraw our funds of up to $200 worth. No matter where you are in the world, you're gonna experience and love this for sure. And last but not the least, guys, the number 5 reason is that Wirex card has no annual fee. I like it, to be honest. In other banks, e-wallets, and centralized cryptocurrency wallets that are subject to regulation and compliance, they're imposing an annual fee in order to keep your account active. In most cases where you don't have a maintaining balance, or you're gonna remain it dormant for at least a year or two depending on the platform's terms, your balance would start to deduct over time if you cannot maintain it. For me, I have experienced it multiple times already, but the good thing about the Wirex card is that you do not need to worry about annual fees anymore. So it means that even if you don't have a maintaining balance in your Wirex card, it's going to be okay. For me, I think this is one edge that Wirex card has compared to the other existing debit and credit cards from various companies and insurers today, especially when it comes to banks, e-wallets, and centralized crypto wallets as well. Okay, so just to summarize on what I have discussed for you today about the Wirex card, the 5 interesting reasons that I really like about this is that we could get up to 8% cashback crypto rewards. We could instantly top up with our existing debit or credit card that we have linked. Third, our funds are safe in a cold storage with multi-signature addresses. Number 4, it has commission-free trading and zero ATM fees of up to $200 US. And number 5, Wirex card has no annual fees. So that's just about it, guys, regarding the topic that I have for today regarding the Wirex card. So if you want to know more details about it and wanted to explore on how are you going to get your hands the Wirex card, which can be delivered in multiple countries worldwide, so it's just right here on the video description where you can download the Wirex app itself, alright? That is supported in both Android and iOS devices. So I would really appreciate some honest feedback from you guys regarding the video that I have for you today regarding the Wirex card. And if you have some questions that were not covered right here in this video of mine, I would try my best to answer them for you, or you can just simply head over to the official socials of Wirex and get in touch with the real admins and mods to potentially answer your queries. And guys, one more thing, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you think that this video is quite helpful and valuable to you, kindly do not hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic regarding crypto, DeFi, Web3, and so much more. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what do you think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. Once again, this is Nomad Fury, and I'll see you all on my next video.